Oh, one more time, right? So, yeah, fill this back up, do another 24-hour on it. Wife will be home all day, so when I get home at night, she can kind of check on it periodically. And then I'll take these down to the garage and do those down there. I don't want to like flood these and set them on the floor and have them either interrupt this or leak. So yeah, that'll be it. And this takes so long to fill that you can probably go do that and come back up. Okay, we got these up here, so if they do leak, they should dribble out the front of the garage. Don't mind the fuel tank. I'm not going to try to two-hand this because I'll spill everywhere. Well, not one-handed. I'm going to two-hand it. Oh, I need to put another coat on those parts this morning. That's a good reminder. Oh, there's air in the hose, and it's splashed everywhere anyway. So I'll have to get in here and dry up what went on the floor. I think it'll be fine. We'll just dry up what's there, and I'm going to wait so long that if there's still moisture a day from now, we'll see, because it's going to come out of one of these corners if it does leak. So, yep. Okay, wiped up majority of the water so it'll dry out on its own. Some probably got underneath it, the felt. But like I said, we're not going to get anything other than these corners. And so far, all the corners are holding, so they didn't immediately leak. If anything does come through, it's going to seep through, right? So, and now this just has, along the seam, a bunch of Curdy Fix, along the inside corner, right? Smeared extra Curdy Fix along that, putting a little bit of focus in that far corner, and then just a couple like 1.5 inch little bands of Ardex. No Curdy band, no nothing. So we'll see how she goes. Yeah, it was that close. I got distracted. I was about to paint some car parts. Hey guys, the bathroom leaks, dirt. So it's been 24 hours. Still got just a little bit hanging over this lip. Like there was when I almost overflowed it and ruined the entire test. So we'll get downstairs and check it out from the bottom, make sure that it's that it really did stay sealed up, and we'll get this drained. So does that work? Late worked over last night to help some dudes go figure out how to go a little quicker because they weren't making their numbers, and now they are, so that's a good thing. I got a little extra overtime for it, but I'm beat up, so we're gonna get this drained. We'll get the niches drained out, and then I'm going back to bed. So same spot, it's dry, yay. Now here we go, nice and hazy water, but more importantly, we're dry as a bone in the cement in these corners. So the other side's good. I already checked that. So we'll figure out how to empty these out because they're probably pretty heavy. I don't want to pick them up. Right? I guess I just tip them forward, right, and let it drain down the driveway. So yeah, that's how we're gonna do it. This is fun, right? So I emptied it out and then started to set it up so it just kind of sit. It'll get hot in the garage and it'll dry out enough there. I don't want animals messing with it and stuff, but look how orange that water is, right? Like, I'm not gonna drink it, but you wonder, does a flood test, like, does the water just take felt off with it, right? Or is that felt that came up just from me brushing on the Ardex? That's definitely got, I mean, it's orange. It's orange. Oh, yeah. I'm sure it's fine. Probably just a little bit of some of the felt came off the top. Nothing to worry about.